Captain, the quantum sea's glowing again. Of course it is! Quantum sea. Worst luck any space pirate crew's ever seen. The useful half of the treasure map bursts into cursed blue flame. Yet Jack Mierda keeps sailing his stolen wooden space yacht just the same. The quantum sea scream warnings through the foggy night. Barnacle cultists somehow boarded from the tide. Every voyage turns catastrophic somehow. Still Jack Mierda keeps shouting, nobody make it worse now! Jack Mierda! The ship just hit a space whale. Jack Mierda! The space whale hit back as well! Captain Jack Mierda! Captain of the catastrophically damned. Captain Jack Mierda! No voyage ever goes as planned. Every shortcut summons ancient evil. Every quantum motion wants him dead by dawn. Still Jack Mierda unintentionally keeps the whole crew laughing. Sleep deprived, questionably functional, he sails on. Hi, hi, hi. He sails on. Hi, hi. Quantum currents twisted all the stars askew. A ghost fleet emerged where calm tides once grew. A crewman yelled, Captain! The ocean just spoke my name. Jack Mierda replied, I pretend you didn't hear it and move along the same. A giant spacey monster swallowed half the mast. Jack groaned, wonderful, another cursed quantum sea beast, worse than the last. Cannons fired while the quantum sea opened overhead. Still the captain screamed, who gave the Leviathan bread? Jack Mierda, the starboard side possessed. Jack Mierda, the captain needs some rest. Captain Jack Mierda, captain of the catastrophically damned. Captain Jack Mierda, no voyage ever goes as planned. Every shortcut summons ancient evil. Every quantum motion wants him dead by dawn. Still Jack Mierda unintentionally keeps the whole crew laughing. Sleep deprived, questionably functional, he sails on. The crew says, Captain, a cursed parrot holding a fishing pole claims we've won treasure! Jack Mierda says, ignore it. The crew says, it requires our soul signatures! Jack Mierda says, that parrot be fishing. Catastrophically damned. Captain Jack Mierda, no voyage ever goes as planned. Every shortcut summons ancient evil. Every quantum motion wants him dead by dawn. Still Jack Mierda unintentionally keeps the whole crew laughing. Sleep deprived, questionably functional, he sails on. Hi, hi, hi. He sails on. Could be worse, lads. Never mind.